Well, today I am going to upgrade my Simplisafe Base Station from 2G to 4G, so here we go. All right, so the first thing you have to do is take the top off. So I think it's a twist and pull. Ta-da! That was relatively simple. And then this is the old card, and here is my new card. And I think it's Verizon wireless right here. It's got a SIM card in it. The instructions didn't say I had to change anything, so I'm gonna take this out. And ooh, they got little teeny tiny screws. I gotta go find the right teeny tiny screwdriver for that. So, ooh, and the new one's already got teeny tiny screws. So, all right. For some reason, I have eyeglass screwdrivers. So, I think the first thing we're gonna do is unplug. See if I can figure this out. There we go. Unplug, and then we will take our massive screwdrivers. So I guess if you don't have these, you have to go to the drugstore. But there you go. They just come right out. And then I'm sure I'm gonna have to go online to Simplisafe and reboot whatever's going on. So if that turns into an ordeal, I'll make a video on that as well. I just dropped a screw, of course I did. Well, let me get the other two out and then we'll go from there. All right, so it had 3 screws holding it in. This one has 3 screws, captive screws right there. So I'm just gonna line these up and tighten it up. So there we go. Seems very, very easy to do. So if you have any concerns, I would think you can do it as long as you have the correct size screwdrivers. Make sure I get these started in the right orifices. There we go. There's 2 started, and there's 3. There we go. I think we got it tightened up. And then you just have to plug the plug back in. And there we go. So I removed and replaced, and then it says put the lid back on. So I will do that. And it said to pull the blue tab for the there we go, down and then turn. And there we go, done. Well, hopefully that shows you how easy it is to do. I'm not gonna do anything with the software because I might show you something that I shouldn't for my security. So thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate it and have a great day.